we want to use our app to the Mizzou Summer Welcome. Although our orientation website said the summer welcome will be fun, but I have to admit that it could be boring sometimes. And just imagine you're walking the whole day across campus to no different locations in the hottest season of Columbia. And the temperature could be like 88 degrees with a beautiful sunshine. I remember the day, like I just feel like I'm melting away on the ground. Also, for some students, they cannot attend the summer welcome because of a time conflict. And for the students who transferred to our school during the spring semester, they only got 1 day to finish registrations, take a tour, or do all kinds of other stuff. Also, some students, like we're college students, will soon forget everything we learned, like the stories, history about our school, right after the summer welcome tour.
So in response to these problems, we are making an app that will allow new students to Mizzou to follow along guided informations in response to iBeacon signals to find hidden locations on campus and be able to unlock awards and see the information of each building. Our main goal is to help them to get familiar with the campus in an engaging and fun way. So they will be able to explore the campus while having fun to play a game, and they can launch the app whenever they want. Instead of having to finish the whole things in day one when the temperature is usually high, they can set their own time and pace according to their own schedule. And they will also be able to go back to our app to review the information they have learned during the game. So right now, we are planning to put 5 iBeacons on 5 different locations on campus. We know that iBeacon technology is kind of new, and there's not a lot of treasure hunt apps that are using this technology. Most of them are using QR code or text message as a way to give clues to the user. But we think iBeacon has a big advantage because it's invisible. You're kind of like getting a surprise message from now and then, and you will not be able to see something is there unless you work into its range. So right now, let's walk you through the user experience and see how our app actually works. So this is the page you will see when you first launch our app. It will be a junk drawer with our logo on it, and there will be 3 buttons which said Play, Tutorial, and About. You can access to our main page by tap Play or tap anyone outside the junk drawer. It will take you to our main page, and the junk drawer will slide out from the screen. But whenever you are stuck in the game or you want to go back to the main page, you can hit the little paw print icon, which is our main navigation tool, to go back to this junk drawer to get help. And you can click on a tutorial, which will launch a pop-up window like this. It will step-by-step tell you how each page does. And you can go to the About page, which will also be a pop-up window where you can learn the information about us and the copyright information. And here is our main page. All of the badges will be on this page. And each badge represents a location with a hidden iBeacon in it. And if the location has not been found, it will be grayed out like this. And after you find the location, it will be colored in, which means you have unlocked the badge. And then you can tap on the unlocked badge to see the detailed information of the location you have found. The treasure chest at the bottom of the page will lead you to the award page where you can see the award you have earned. And those awards you haven't earned will be grayed out. There will also be a label under the award that says how many iBeacons you need to find in order to win the next award. For every iBeacon you find, you will be getting closer to your next award.
And our app will automatically search for the nearest iBeacon when you open it. And after you find the nearest iBeacon, the grayed out location badge will start to glow. like this. And now please join us the journey of finding the next iBeacon. Now you can tap on the glowing badges. It will take you to this page. There is a rainbow that uses GPS to let you know whether or not you are getting closer to an location. And when you get closer, the rainbow is going to fill up slowly into red. And when you walk into the range of the iBeacon, it will take you to another page. This is our iBeacon page. You can see there is a blurred picture with a red arrow on it. This means you are in the far range of the iBeacon. And when you get closer, you can get a more clear picture with the yellow arrows gonna light up. And finally, when you hit like the immediate range of the iBeacon, you will get 100 opacity picture with the green arrow lights up. And the text clue will still be there in case you want to see it. And in any of this stage, if you guys want to go back and check on the badges and awards, you can do so by tapping on the paw print on the left side corner. And on this way, you can just go back completely. Also, you can access to the tutorial whenever you get confused during the game. Here is like, congratulations, you have found the Alice library. Yes. And this page, they will get you a brief information about the location, and that will be stored. Also, it will move you to the next location you're going to go to. Right now, when you click the next challenge, it will take you back to this main page. And you can see the badge of Alice Library has already light up. It's a book. And the next location badge is going to grow.
Okay, so in the future, we plan to add more on-campus locations to allow students to explore maybe less popular areas, unlike like Alice Library. And we hope that it could build a sense of community among them. And we are also thinking about adding competition functions, which will allow users to compete with their friend or each other to see who finds the most iBeacons in the least amount of time. And we will even expand our app to other universities or city hunts to maybe explore like tourism or other things. And another common use case of our app will include like in-store hunt, where consumers can hunt for products with iBeacons hidden in it to win a coupon. We will generate money by working with local businesses. We will draw consumers to their store by setting up a location for their business in our app, or even invite them to sponsor our awards. And in return, we will set advertising in their stores to offer the consumer that visits the store to download our app and give it a try.
And there are currently like 190 apps in App Store that relate to the scavenger hunt. And which means this type of games still have like the popularity among users. However, most of those apps are information-based, unlike our app, which focus more on the game experience. And this is a fun app, and we are a fun team. Thank you.